Hi, this is Julian from NBS Australia, and today I'm going to show you how to use the model checker in NBS Chorus Connect. So the first thing to do is go into an element or system which we've associated to an object or element in ArchiCAD. So I'm going to go into this door assembly systems here. And then across the top here, you can see that there are certain tabs. So here's the content of that particular system. And then you have here the model tab, which will show you all the elements that are unassociated to your specification, all the elements which are associated, and if there are any issues with the particular model. So if I go back to the spec and change, say, the door code here to door 05, save, and then I go back into the model tab here, it's now indicating that there's an issue with the model because the specification and the information which is inside that particular door, which I had associated earlier, no longer lines up. So I can go to here and come down and click on the door and click Fix All. And now if I go back to the spec, door 05, and then come down to the label which we did in the previous tutorial, you can see that that information has now been pushed through the Chorus Connect into the door object and then relayed through to the door label for the visualization. And that concludes our tutorial for today. Thank you very much.